for that assignment. Okay, what is third chapter? AM transmission.
Transmission.
Okay. Third is AM transmission and fourth is AM reception.
Receiver.
Hmm? Transmitter part is covered in third chapter, whereas all the receiving part it is covered in the chapter number 4. So we will start with this third assignment question. First question is, what are the different types of SSB SC generation? Explain any one in detail. So what are the different types for SSB SC? Basically first, if we see, okay, simultaneously I will revise the concepts also so that it will be useful for you. AM मध्ये 3 फॉर्म असतात. एक म्हणजे बेसिक AM, त्याच्यामध्ये किती साइड
DSBSC
बँड
and
असतात?
SSBSC.
In the basic AM signal, how many side bands are there?
3.
3 side bands are there. Upper side band, lower side band and carrier signal.
Carrier
Okay.
signal.
हे 3 बँड असतात बेसिक AM सिग्नल मध्ये. मग त्यातल्या कॅरियर मध्ये कमी इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रेझेंट असते, बट लॉस इन द कॅरियर इट इज more as compared with the sideband. That's why if we suppress one or if we suppress the carrier signal, it is useful for us to save the power. That is first concept. त्यामुळं AM मधून जर एक कॅरियर आपण सप्रेस केला तर कशामध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होतं AM चं?
DSBSC.
DSPSC. If we suppress the carrier from AM, then basic AM signal is converted in the form of DSPSC. Again, in case of that DSPSC signal, in some applications, we don't require both the sidebands. We can work only with one sideband. And that's why if we suppress one sideband, either upper sideband or lower sideband. एक कुठलाही sideband जर आपण suppress केला DSPSC मधून, तर then the DSPSC is converted in the form of SSPSC signal. Okay. That is the basic concept of DSBSC and SSBSC signal. Okay. Then, what are the methods for SSBSC generation? Which methods we have studied?
3 methods.
Hmm?
3 methods: filter method, phase shift, and Weaver's method.
DSBSC नाही म्हणत इथं, SSBSC चा
SSBSC
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
आहे. Yes.
SSBSC च्या जनरेशनच्या filter method, phase shift method, and Weaver's method.
Yes. So out of that, any one method you have to explain here. That is first question. आता SSBSC, DSBSC कुठलाही कन्सेप्ट जरी विचारला किंवा कुठल्याही याच्यामध्ये जर जनरेशन मेथड विचारली, स्क्रीन इज विजिबल टू ऑल?
Yes ma'am.
If any generation method it is asked, in that case, first you have to write the concept of DSBSC, SSBSC, and then you write down the description for the different methods. Okay, that is first thing. Then next question, explain AM spectrum. Now AM spectrum, you have to write the basic equation of AM. Okay, so just wait 1 minute. Basic equation of AM, this equation you have to write. Whatever is this basic equation of AM? First you have to write, then draw this frequency spectrum of AM. त्याच्यामध्ये इकडच्या साईडला अप्पर साइड बँड असेल. What is frequency of upper side band? What is the frequency of upper side band? FC plus FM. Frequency of lower side band it is FC minus FM. तो frequency spectrum तुम्ही तिथं explain करायचा आहे. Okay, AM spectrum मध्ये. You write basic equation of AM, then draw the frequency spectrum, then write the equation for upper sideband and lower sideband frequencies. This is the second question. Then third question it is, explain the different types of AM transmitters. Okay. So Komal is present for the lecture. What are the different types of AM? Tell me the different types of AM transmitter. Which are
low
the
level
different types of
modulator, low
hmm,
level and high level.
low level and high level? That are the two methods. So if it is asked for 5 marks, you state that two types and you can explain any one method from that. Okay, this is the answer for the question. Next question, it is derive the expression for AM power. So how we have derived the expression for AM power? Okay, I will just explain it. 1 minute. आता तुमचं हे जे स्टडी मटेरियल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये AM पॉवर डेरिव्हेशनसाठी मी एक सेपरेट PDF फाईल शेअर केलेली आहे विच इज एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑल द पॉइंट्स इन डिटेल. ज्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटसाठी सेपरेट PDF फाईल शेअर केलेले आहेत ते पॉइंट्स त्या PDF फाईलमधूनच प्रिपेअर करा बिकॉज इट इज हॅव्हिंग इन डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन ॲज कम्पेअर्ड विथ युअर नोट्स. ओके, so AM power derivation. How we calculate the total power present in AM? Basic concept सांगा मला AM मधली power calculate करायचा. What is the basic concept to calculate power in AM? What is the basic equation?
Equals to V
How we
square by R.
calculate? Yes, but basic concept आता AM मध्ये 3 component आहेत. Carrier, upper sideband and lower
Lower
sideband. So
sideband.
total power present in AM is calculated by PC plus PUSB plus PLSB.
LSB.
In that way you have calculated the total power present in the AM. मग इथं हे बेसिक कन्सेप्ट यूज करायचा. Derive the expression for PC and derive the expression for upper sideband and lower sideband. आता मला सांगा अप्पर साइडबँड आणि लोअर साइडबँड मधली पॉवर एकसारखी असते का दॅट इज डिफरंट?
Same असते.
इट इज सेम. ओके, बिकॉज व्होल्टेज पॉवरसाठी कुठलं इक्वेशन यूज केलं इथं? P is equal to V square by R. Voltage of upper sideband and lower sideband is equal. That's why power of upper sideband and lower sideband both are equal. Okay, so this is the equation. Then substitute that value here and calculate the value for total power. So we get the formula for total power as PT is equal to PC in bracket 1 plus M square by 2. The total power in terms of PC चे equation आहे. You have to also see the separate equations. MCQ मध्ये वगैरे विचारू शकतात. Power of upper sideband in terms of PC, power of total sideband. TSB म्हणजे टोटल साइडबँड पॉवर ज्याच्यामध्ये USB आणि LSB चे ऍडिशन होते. TUSB means that is only power present in the upper sideband. Like this you have to remember. So remember all these equations which can be asked in the MCQ or based on that the numericals can also be asked. Okay, so that derivation you have to write here. Then explain the working of practical diode detector. Okay, आता इथं जो हा diode detector चा question आहे actually that is from chapter number 4. Okay, so you can write this question in assignment number 4. So diode detector, it is used for AM detection purpose. आपण diode detector चं circuit बघितलेलं आहे. That diagram you have to draw and explain. Okay, then next it is numerical. The total power content of AM signal is 1000 watt. Determine the power being transmitted at the carrier frequency and at each of the sidebands when the percentage modulation is 100%. सांगा मला इथे कसं how you will solve this kind of numericals, or this can be asked as a MCQ also in the exam. This kind of numericals can be asked as MCQ also in the exam. म्हणजे एकच न्यूमरिकल देऊन त्याच्यावरती 2-3 MCQ तुम्हाला विचारू शकतात. सांगा ते इथं काय पॅरामीटर्स दिलेले आहेत. टोटल पॉवर इज 1000 वॅट म्हणजे PT ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. देन डिटरमाइन द पॉवर बिंग ट्रान्समिटेड ॲट द कॅरियर. कुठली व्हॅल्यू विचारलेली इथं? येस, पे अटेन्शन ऑल ऑफ यू. PC ची व्हॅल्यू विचारली आहे आणि ॲट ईच ऑफ द साइड बँड म्हणजे PUSB पण विचारले आणि PLSB सुद्धा विचारलं. अँड वेन द पर्सेंटेज मॉड्युलेशन इज 100%. जेव्हा मॉड्युलेशन इंडेक्सची व्हॅल्यू M is equal to 100% means what is the value of M? M is equal to 1. So PT value is given. Then carrier power we have to calculate and M is given as 1. So this numerical you have to solve. by using the equation Pt is equal to Pc in bracket 1 plus m square by 2. In this way, you have to solve this particular numerical. Then next question is explain VSB generation methods. Okay, so have we covered VSB part? We have covered, but generation methods, I will just check it once again whether we have covered or not. Otherwise, I will cover that VSB generation method in the next coming lectures. In the next 2 lectures, I will cover this VSB generation method part. Then switching modulator. Switching modulator कशासाठी यूज केलाय सांगा मला. रेफर द नोट्स तुमच्या समोर ठेवा मोबाईल मधले and give the answers. स्विचिंग मॉड्युलेटर कुठल्या जनरेशन साठी यूज करतो आपण स्विचिंग मॉड्युलेटर? It is
AM generation.
AM generation. Okay, it is used for AM generation. That circuit you have to explain, which consists of one diode and RC circuit in parallel with that. Then next it is, आता इथे बघा, percent modulation of AM it changes from 40% to 60%. म्हणजे modulation index हा 0.4 to 0.6 आपण चेंज करतोय. Originally the power content at the carrier was 900 watt. Determine the power content at the carrier frequency and within each of the sideband after the percentage modulation rises to 60%. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आहे, आधी PC ची व्हॅल्यू 900 वॅट घ्यायची आहे, M ची व्हॅल्यू 0.4 कन्सिडर करून टोटल पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट करा आणि आफ्टर दॅट यू कीप द कॅरियर पॉवर सेम ॲज 900 वॅट. फक्त कशाची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होईल सेकंड केस मध्ये, विच व्हॅल्यू यू हॅव टू चेंज इन द सेकंड केस? मॉड्युलेशन इंडेक्स. मॉड्युलेशन इंडेक्स एकदा 0.4 calculate करता, that you take the modulation index as 0.6 and calculate the total power. Okay. Numerical solution. Okay, then next, derive expression for the total power in the modulator. So that is total power used for information transmission. The work or that we can say that homework we cannot say exactly, but self study करून एक task देते मी तुम्हाला. You solve this equation, write down this question and try to attempt that question by your own, because this is somewhat difficult question. So just check if whether you are able to solve it by your own or not. If you are not able to solve, then I will take it in the next lecture. लिहून घ्या तो क्वेश्चन. Derive the expression for total power in modulated wave, AM modulated wave, and show that 33% of total power is used for information transmission. Okay, so for information transmission, you have to use 33% of total power. That you have to prove. Just try to complete this task. याचा काय तुम्हाला आन्सर बघा फाइंड आउट करता येते का? Otherwise we will discuss this point in the next lecture. Then explain the ring modulator and its spectrum. Ring modulator कशासाठी यूज करतो आपण सांगा मला? For what purpose we use the ring modulator? Yes, for which
Generation
purpose
of
we
DSPSC
use the ring
signal.
modulator?
Generation of
DSPSC
signal.
signal. Yes, so you have to draw the diagram for ring modulator, write down its explanations and draw its spectrum. Okay. Then next. Okay, so we have completed the assignment questions from section 1. So now I will discuss the MCQs for first 3 chapters and then we will go for the second section. Okay, assignment question आपण फर्स्ट सेक्शनचे डिस्कस केलेत. नाव वी विल स्टार्ट विथ द डिस्कशन ऑफ MCQs. Okay. So first question. Now for MCQs, I expect the answers from you. In the communication system, noise is most likely to affect the signal at.
In the channel.
So noise will affect in the channel. Yes. Any
Yes.
other answer? नॉइज आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करतो रिसिव्हरला. ओके, इथं 2 पॉइंट आहेत. यू हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड द 2 डिफरंट पॉइंट्स. नॉइज वी कॅल्क्युलेट ॲट द रिसिव्हर, बट नॉइज मोस्टली अफेक्ट इन द चॅनल. ओके, नॉइज वी कॅल्क्युलेट ॲट द रिसिव्हर, but noise it mostly affect in the channel. So answer for this question, it is in the channel. Then second question, modulation is done in transmitter, radio receiver, between transmitter and radio receiver, and none of above. So where the
Transmitter.
modulation is done?
Transmitter.
Okay, just wait, Ganesh. I will ask the questions for other also. Nobody is responding. Next question I will ask to Aishwarya Patne. Aishwarya is present? Okay, second it is easy. Modulation is done in the transmitter. आणि रिसिव्हरला कुठली प्रोसेस होते? Which process takes place at the receiver? Demodulation. Okay, so modulation is done in the transmitter. That is first point. Then in the transmitter, which oscillator is used? कुठला ऑसिलेटर यूज करतो आपण ट्रान्समीटर मध्ये? आता बेसिकली मला सांगा, आपण प्रॅक्टिकलचे किट सुद्धा मी तुम्हाला दाखवलेत. ऑसिलेटर हा कुठल्या सिग्नल जनरेट करण्यासाठी यूज करतो आपण? साइन वेव्ह का पल्स? फॉर जनरेशन ऑफ विच सिग्नल वी यूज द ऑसिलेटर?
What, ma'am?
For generation of analog signal or digital signal, for which signal generation we use the oscillator? That I am asking.
Analog, ma'am.
Analog. मग कुठल्या टाइपचा ऑसिलेटर आपण यूज करतो?
Crystal.
Crystal oscillator it is used, and mostly it is used to generate the carrier signal. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, then next question it is, in AM wave useful power is carried by, carrier nahi hai actually, it is carried by. So in case of AM useful power is carried by. What is the useful power or useful information present in case of AM? Are you getting the question? In case of AM, the useful power is carried by. म्हणजे मोस्ट युजफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन ही कुठल्या बँड मध्ये प्रेझेंट असते? फॉर एक्झाम्पल किती कंपोनंट असतात AM मध्ये? अप्पर साइड बँड, लोअर साइड बँड आणि कॅरियर. ह्यापैकी युजफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन ही कशात प्रेझेंट असते? सो वी हॅव डिस्कस. ओके, so one thing, sometimes we feel that objective type of exam it is easy, but objective type of questions are sometimes very difficult to answer. कारण बऱ्याच वेळा आपल्याला काय होतं, खूप ऑप्शन हे सिमिलर वाटतात. सो इन दॅट केस कधी कधी 2 ऑप्शन सुद्धा करेक्ट असतात. सो इन दॅट केस यू हॅव टू सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट करेक्ट आन्सर बेस्ड ऑन द पर्टिक्युलर क्वेश्चन. ओके, म्हणजे कधी कधी ऑल ऑफ अबव किंवा बोथ, आता ए आणि बी दोन्ही ऑप्शन जर करेक्ट असतील एखाद्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये, आणि जर तुम्हाला असं ऑप्शन नसेल की बोथ ए अँड बी किंवा ऑल ऑफ अबव असा जर ऑप्शन नसेल, तर इन दॅट केस यू मे गेट कन्फ्युज, बट यू हॅव टू सिलेक्ट द answer, or we have to select the option which is more appropriate as compared with the other options. That care you have to take. Okay, so in the AM wave useful power is carried by side bands. मेन जी पॉवर असते त्या सिग्नलची किंवा मेन जी त्या सिग्नलची इन्फॉर्मेशन, मेन इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रेझेंट असते, that is present in the carrier only. Also, okay, sorry, that is present in the sidebands only. That is the answer for this particular question. Then next, in amplitude modulation. Okay, you just don't give the answers, Ganesh. Wait. Yes, Aishwarya is present for the lecture. I had asked before 2 minutes.
Yes,
Aishwarya,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
hmm. Give answer for this question. In amplitude modulation, bandwidth is dash the audio signal frequency. So what is the answer for this question? Bandwidth is dash the audio signal frequency. What is the relation between bandwidth and audio signal frequency? म्हणजे कुठला सिग्नल आहे? मॉड्युलेटिंग का कॅरियर सिग्नल? ऑडिओ येस, ऑडिओ सिग्नल म्हणजे मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आहे का कॅरियर सिग्नल आहे? टेल दॅट.
मॅम मॉड्युलेटेड सिग्नल आहे तो FM.
मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आहे. ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ amplitude modulation, bandwidth is काय
Twice of
रिलेशन
amplitude.
bandwidth आणि ओके इट इज येस
Twice.
ऐश्वर्या इट इज नॉट 4 times, इट इज ट्वाइस. आपण बघितलंय एएम मध्ये बँडविड्थ इज इक्वल टू अप्पर साइड बँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी
Twice of
मायनस
FM.
लोअर साइड बँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी. अप्पर साइड बँडची फ्रिक्वेन्सी असते एफसी प्लस एफ एम, लोअर साइड बँडची असते एफसी मायनस एफ एम. ते जर तुम्ही मॅथमॅटिकल कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं तर you get the frequency of this modulating signal as, or you get the equation for bandwidth of AM as twice of modulating signals frequency. Okay, then next question, in amplitude modulation the dash of carrier is varied in accordingly to the strength of the signal. Which characteristics of carrier it is changed in case of amplitude modulation? It is
Amplitude.
very simple. Which characteristics of carrier? Amplitude it
Amplitude.
is changing. Okay. That is simple. जो पॅरामीटर चेंज होतो ते सेम नाव त्या मॉड्युलेशनला आपण इंडिकेट करतो. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशन. इन केस ऑफ ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशन इट ऑकर्स व्हेन सिग्नल अँप्लिट्यूड इज डॅश देन कॅरियर अँप्लिट्यूड. आता इथं जेव्हा आपण सिग्नल म्हणतोय तेव्हा इथं बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज कन्सिडरिंग द modulating signal.
Signal. PM.
So,
Greater than.
okay, just wait. Yes, Amol Kofne is present for the lecture. Amol.
Yes, ma'am.
Three conditions: over modulation, under modulation, exact modulation. Can you explain that three cases?
What, ma'am?
AM मध्ये 3 केसेस आहेत: एक्झॅक्ट मॉड्युलेशन, ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशन आणि अंडर मॉड्युलेशन. कशावरून पडल्यात त्या 3 कंडिशन सांगू शकताय? What are
No,
the
ma'am.
different
I
points?
can.
Okay. Okay. Just wait. Yes, Gayatri is present for the lecture. Gayatri Joshi.
Ma'am.
Can you explain the 3 cases in AM? Under modulation, over modulation, exact modulation. कशावरून पडले ते 3 टाइप AM मध्ये? Based on which parameter that 3 cases are there in AM? Based on which parameter? Condition, exact modulation, over modulation, under modulation. Okay, Ganesh, you can
Modulation
continue.
index. Modulation index.
Modulation index. M
M
is equal
greater
to
than
1.
1 equal to 1 less than 1.
Okay. It is Okay. So when we say M is equal to 1, it is exact modulation. M is greater than 1, it is over modulation. And M is less than 1, it is under modulation. And what is the equation for M? M is given by the formula as Vm by Vc. Okay. So that is the concept of this modulation index. Okay. Then the next question is, at 100% modulation, the power in each sideband is dash of that of the carrier. 100% modulation आहे म्हणजे modulation index ची व्हॅल्यू किती झाली? M is equal to
1.
1. मग M is equal to 1 असताना साइडबँड मधली पॉवर ही कॅरियरचा किती पर्सेंट असेल बघा? काय
25.
इक्वेशन? Okay, 25%. How you can calculate that? Or how
Equation,
you
ma'am.
can prove that? काय equation? What is the equation of sideband power, upper sideband, lower sideband? Power of PUSB. Okay, I will just open this so that it. As a same question, it can be asked in terms of carrier power also. की M ची value 100% असताना, what is the relation between carrier power and total power? Okay, just see. PUSB is equal to PLSB is equal to PC into M square by 4. मग आता इथं बघा M ची व्हॅल्यू किती येईल इथं 1. 1 चा स्क्वेअर 1. 1 divided by 4, it will be equal to 0.25. So how much percent? 25%. Okay. आणि हे जर फक्त आपल्याला M is equal to 1 दिलेला आहे आणि टोटल पॉवर ही कॅरियरच्या किती पट आहे असं विचारलं तर कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार तुम्ही? दिस इक्वेशन यू हॅव टू यूज PC in bracket 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 point, so this you have to calculate and tell the answer. Same question हा जर विचारलाय ना साइडबँडची पॉवर, तसं मॉड्युलेशन इंडेक्स जर 100% असेल तर टोटल पॉवर ही कॅरियरच्या किती पट येते त्याचा आन्सर सांगा मला. काय येईल इथं? PC in bracket 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 0.5. किती
3
पट
by
येईल
2.
ते?
3 by 2. 1.5.
1.5. Okay.
3 by 2.
So that is the answer for this particular question. Then next question it is over modulation. Okay, question number 9. Over modulation results in, yes, 1 minute. Shubham Badke is present for the lecture. Shubham. Sagar Thorat is present or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Sagar. What is answer for this question? Over modulation results in, काय होतं इफेक्ट ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशनचा? Weakening of the signal, excessive carrier power, distortion, none of above. ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशनचे वेव्हफॉर्म आपण बघितले. ओव्हर मॉड्युलेशन मध्ये काय होतं? दोन्ही सिग्नल एकमेकांमध्ये मिक्स होतात, पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह. सो इट फायनली रिझल्ट्स इन द distortion of the signal. Okay, so over modulation results in distortion of the signal. Then next, demodulation is done in receiving antenna, transmitter, radio receiver and transmitting antenna. Where the demodulation is done?
Radio receiver.
Radio receiver. Okay, antenna is the first device at the receiver, but it doesn't do demodulation. Antenna काय करतो? फक्त सिग्नल रिसीव्ह करतो आणि तो पुढे प्रोसेसिंगला देतो. ऍक्च्युअल डिमॉड्युलेशनची प्रोसेस जी आहे ती कुठे होते? रेडिओ रिसिव्हर मध्ये होते. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन टीव्ही ट्रान्समिशन पिक्चर सिग्नल इज डॅश मॉड्युलेटेड. टेलिव्हिजन ट्रान्समिशन मध्ये कुठलं मॉड्युलेशन यूज होतं पिक्चर सिग्नलच्या मॉड्युलेशनसाठी?
Amplitude.
amplitude modulation. आता इथं स्पेसिफिकली असं विचारलेलं आहे की पिक्चर सिग्नल इज modulated by using which modulation method? So it is used by, or it is modulated by using amplitude modulation. But there is one separate MCQ also which is asked की टेलिव्हिजन ट्रान्समिशन मध्ये आता इथं वेस्टिजियन साइडबँड ऑप्शन नाही, बट इन सम ऑफ द MCQ it is asked as which type of following transmission it is used for television. त्या पर्टिक्युलर क्वेश्चन साठी तुमचा आन्सर असतं VSB. ओके, VSB चं हे स्पेसिफिक बँड आहे तो जो आपण टेलिव्हिजन ट्रान्समिशन साठी यूज करतो. ओके, बट हिअर इट इज नॉट गिवन, सो हिअर amplitude modulation is also correct. Then, but if VSB it is given, इथं स्पेसिफिकली पिक्चर सिग्नलचं मॉड्युलेशन टाईप कुठला विचारलाय, त्यामुळे आपण amplitude लिहू शकतो. पण जर असं विचारलं की टेलिव्हिजन ट्रान्समिशन मध्ये कुठला साइड बँड वापरतात, तर इन दॅट केस द आन्सर विल बी वेस्टिजियन साइड बँड. ओके, difference that you have to remember. Then as illumination in ची लेवल इन्क्रीज झाल्यावर कॅरियर पॉवर चेंज होते का?
नो, सेम राहते.
येस, गिव द आन्सर.
रिमेन सेम.
कॅरियर पॉवर रिमेन
Same.
सेम. फक्त कुठली पॉवर चेंज होईल मॉड्युलेशन लेवल इन्क्रीज झाल्यावर? फक्त टोटल पॉवर चेंज होते, बट द कॅरियर पॉवर रिमेन्स सेम. As the modulation level is increased, the carrier power remains the same. Okay, this is the answer for the question. Then next, if modulation is 100%, then the signal amplitude is dash of carrier amplitude. So if modulation is 100%, means m is equal to, what is the value of m?
1.
1. So modulation index is equal to 1. So if m is equal to 1, modulating signals amplitude and carrier signals amplitude, both the
Equal.
values will be
Equal.
what? 1. Okay. So both are equal to. Modulating signal amplitude is equal to carrier amplitude. Then next question. 50 kilowatt carrier is to be amplitude modulated to the level of 85%. Then what is the carrier power after modulation? म्हणजे मॉड्युलेशन केल्यानंतरची कॅरियर पॉवर, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द टोटल पॉवर. मग काय करायचं इथं? कॅरियरची पॉवर 50 किलोवॅट घ्यायची. Then use the formula PT is equal to PC in bracket 1 plus m square by 2. So by using that formula, you have to calculate the total power. So what will be the answer for this? Calculate it and tell me the answer. काय ते आन्सर बघायचं? Carrier power you take it as 50 kilowatt. M is equal to 85%. 85% means it is 0.85. So calculate it and tell the answer. Tell the answer. How much it is? Yes, Ganesh.
50 kilowatt is it? A.
50 kilowatt. Okay. Yes, it is correct. If the modulation index value changes, the total power will be obviously changing. Okay. In the question, you take the same question and tell what is the power in the segment. What power is went for this particular question? आता PT इज इक्वल टू PC इन ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस एम स्क्वेअर बाय 2 अशी आपण टोटल पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट केली. बरोबर आहे. साईड बँड मधली पॉवर कशी कॅल्क्युलेट करणार तुम्ही? अप्पर साईड बँड, लोअर साईड बँड. हाऊ यू विल कॅल्क्युलेट द पॉवर इन द साईड बँड्स?
PC into M square by 4.
PC इंटू एम स्क्वेअर बाय 4 ही झाली अप्पर साईड बँडची आणि लोअर साईड बँडची. सो टेल मी व्हॉट इज द आन्सर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? What is the answer for the question? काय त्याचं आन्सर सांगा? Yes, give the answer, Meenakshi. Chaitali, tell the answer.
8 kilowatt.
8 kilowatt.
0.6. 0.6.
0.6. 0.6 or 0.06 किलोवॅट. पॉवर इन साईड बँड्स विचारले म्हणजे तुम्हाला अप्पर साईड बँडची पॉवर आणि लोअर साईड बँडची पॉवर दोन्हीचे ऍडिशन करावं लागणार आहे. व्हॉट इज आन्सर इन दॅट केस?
0.6 kilowatt.
0.6 kilowatt. Okay, I will just cross check it and I will tell you. Okay, because I need to solve it once again because here it is answer is given as C. So I will just check it. किंवा हे जे पर्टिक्युलर न्यूमरिकल आहे ते त्याचं सोल्युशन मी तुमच्या ग्रुपवर टाकते सो दॅट इफ देर इज एनी करेक्शन दॅट यू कॅन डू. ओके, आय नीड टू सॉल्व इट वन्स अगेन. I will solve and I will put it on your group. Okay, then the next is overmodulation occurs when. So what is the condition for overmodulation?
M greater than 1. PM greater than VC.
काय कंडिशन सांगा overmodulation ची? Is greater than VC. Okay, then which is having maximum wavelength? आता हे स्टँडर्ड वेवलेंथ रेंज आहेत त्यामुळे ह्याच्यामध्ये काही एक्सप्लेनेशन नाही. So if you see this wavelength ranges for infrared, ultraviolet rays, radio waves are having the maximum wavelength.
Madam,
Okay, so
EM
radio waves
spectrum
are
मध्ये
having the
दिली की
maximum.
range.
हा दिल्यातच की मग.
रेडिओ वेव्हची जास्त.
हा, so radio waves are having the maximum wavelength. Then which of the following is not major communication medium? So which medium it is not majorly used for communication? Free space
Water.
use करतो आपण. Water we are not using as a regular media for communication. Wires we use, fiber optic cable also we use. So free space is the not major communication medium. Okay, so these are the MCQs for chapter number 1. So is it clear? Apart from this also, if any other MCQ, आता MCQ चा आन्सर तुम्ही प्रॉपरली कधी लिहू शकता? जेव्हा तुम्हाला एखादा कन्सेप्ट प्रॉपरली समजलेला असतो तेव्हा. Okay, so that's why from start I am telling that you have to make clear all your concepts so that you are able to write the answer for theoretical question also as well as MCQ also. So this is the first element. So for the noise, anyone tell? Which is the type of noise produced at low frequency? Which type of noise is present at low frequency noise? What we call that particular noise which occurs at low frequency?
मॅम क्वेश्चन समजलं नाही, प्लीज रिपीट करा का एकदा. हॅलो मॅम. Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The specific type of noise which is present at low frequency, what that noise it is called as? That I am asking. आपण नॉईजचे टाईप बघितलेत बरोबर आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये एक लो टाईपचा किंवा लो फ्रिक्वेन्सीला प्रोड्यूस होणारा एक नॉईज आहे. व्हॉट दॅट नॉईज इट इज कॉल्ड एज? What that noise is called as?
Low frequency noise or flicker noise.
Low frequency noise or flicker noise. Okay. Similarly, what is the type of noise which is present at high frequencies? So that particular noise it is called as the short noise. Okay. So this is answer for the first question. Then second, the value of resistor creating thermal noise is doubled. So the what is its effect on the noise power? जर रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू डबल केली तर त्याचा इफेक्ट काय होतो?
Double.
Noise power होते. So noise power will be also double. Okay, then third question, noise is, what is the definition of noise?
Unwanted signal or noise.
Noise is unwanted signal or it is unwanted
Noise.
So here it should be actually noise, or instead of noise here it should be unwanted signal. So noise is unwanted signal. Then next, following contributes the maximum noise. कशामुळे noise produce होतो maximum? Transport sector, industrial and construction machinery.
Screen दिसत नाही मॅम.
Screen is not visible.
No.
तरीपासून दिसत नाहीये screen.
Just ma'am.
Okay. I think there is some just listen. Next question. Indicate the noise whose so okay. So I will just check that questions. Okay. So we will stop here and we will see the remaining MCQs in the next lecture. Okay. So you just type your number in the chat box and you can leave the meeting.